Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by, and again, please don't miss to subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much. So for this clip, we are to learn the kinds of sentences. Let us first learn what a sentence is all about. If we are to say sentence, that is a group of words that expresses a complete thought or meaning. Different kinds of sentences have different purposes. A sentence can make a statement, ask a question, or give a command. A sentence can also begin with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. The punctuation mark depends on the purpose of the sentence. One of the kinds of sentences is declarative sentence. If we are to say declarative sentence, that makes a statement or it is a telling sentence. And if it is a declarative sentence, the punctuation that we are going to use here is period. It ends with a period. Examples. First here is the boy walked home. So as you see here, you are simply stating. You are simply telling. Since you are simply stating the boy walked home or telling, then the sentence is a declarative sentence. And as you see in our declarative sentence, the punctuation mark that we are using at the end of our sentence or group of our words is, of course, period. Again, for declarative sentence, it ends up with period. So that's it. Another example here, we have, I love honey. So you are just simply stating or telling, right? So since you are telling, that sentence is once again a declarative sentence. Then try to look at the punctuation mark that we are using at the end, still a period, because period is used in a declarative sentence. Last example for our declarative sentence is, my mother is a teacher. So that's it. You are telling that your mother is a teacher. So since it's a telling sentence, then that's a declarative sentence. Declarative sentence, that's a telling sentence, a statement, right? So again, we are using, very good, period. So for declarative sentence, we use punctuation mark there. The punctuation that we are using is period. This is it. This is the sign of period. Then again, declarative sentence, that makes a statement or it's a telling sentence. Get? Alright. Next kind of sentence that we have is, we have this interrogative sentence. If we are to say interrogative sentence, it asks a question or it's an asking sentence. And once you are asking, then that ends with a question mark. This is now the symbol or sign of question mark punctuation. Yes. So, example, we have here examples. First, did the girls take the test? Again, did the girls take the test? So you are asking here, right? Since it is asking, then the punctuation that we are using at the end is question mark. So this is, again, another example. Let us read. Very good. How are you doing? So you are asking here. Since you are asking, that sentence is an interrogative sentence. You are simply asking. In an interrogative sentence, that's a sentence that asks, right? Then again, since you are asking, the punctuation mark that you are using is very good. Question mark. Our third kind of sentence is an imperative sentence. Now, if we are to say imperative sentence, that gives a command or makes a request. Again, for imperative sentence, that gives a command or makes a request. Then, it ends with a period. Same thing with our declarative sentence or a telling sentence. The punctuation that we are using is period. So let's have this example. Okay, here. The first example that we have here is kindly close the door. So here in this sentence, you are requesting. You are using a polite word kindly. Since you are using this word kindly, that's a polite word, right? Then that is a request. You are making a request here. You are requesting. And since you are requesting, then that sentence is an imperative sentence. And again, it ends with the punctuation mark period. That is what we are going to use in an imperative sentence. Another example is this one. Go to the market and buy fruits. So, this sentence is a command. It is not using a polite word, right? So go to the market and buy fruit. So this sentence is commanding you to go to the market and buy fruits. Then since then that it is commanding, then that's an imperative sentence. And again, you are using punctuation mark period at the end of your sentence. So is that clear for you now? Very good. So let's move to the next and to the last kind of sentence. Okay. Our last sentence type here is an exclamatory sentence. This is our fourth and last type of a sentence. We have exclamatory sentence. So what is now an exclamatory sentence? An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling or emotion. Then, it ends with an exclamatory point or exclamation point. This is now the symbol or sign of exclamatory point. So once you see this, meaning that group of words expresses a strong feeling or emotion. So let's have this example here. Oh, okay, that's it. Oh, that's a gorgeous dress. Oh my god, sorry for my voice. Again, oh, that's a gorgeous dress. Okay, that's it. So try to see. Since you are expressing a strong feeling or emotion, then of course, you have to use this exclamatory point. That's the punctuation that we are to use in an exclamatory sentence. Another example is very good. This one. Try to read and express it with strong feeling or emotion. Alright, very good. Help! Alright, that's it. The last one is everybody. Alright, I hate you. So you're mad here, right? So you are expressing strong feelings or emotion. Then these three sentences are once again exclamatory sentence. Since it is expressing or they're expressing strong feelings or emotion, then the punctuation that we are going to use is, yeah, that's it, exclamatory point. Very good. So, those are the four kinds of sentences. So again, we have the declarative. Okay, what have you remembered of the word declarative? Very good. That's stating or telling sentence, right? Another is interrogative. If you are to say interrogative, you are asking. And if you're asking, you have to use the question mark. For declarative, let's return to declarative. Since you are only stating, then that's period. Next to it, we have imperative. Imperative, that's simply commanding or requesting. Requesting if you are using polite words, right? Commanding if not. Alright. So, period. We are to use period here, right? Next, for exclamatory, that is a sentence that expresses, okay, exclamatory that expresses strong feelings or emotion. And the the punctuation that we are using is exclamatory point. Very good. So let's see if how far you have understood our topic. So let's try these activities that I am preparing for you. The direction says, write declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory to identify each sentence. The first sentence that we have here is, are elephants the largest land animals? Again, are elephants the largest land animals? Alright, that is what kind of sentence? Very good. That is an interrogative sentence. Why can you say so? Because very good. It is asking. So it's obvious from the punctuation that we are using. Question mark. You are asking here. Very good. Now for our number 2. This one. You can reach California by traveling west. So what kind of sentence is that? Very good. That is a declarative sentence. Why can you say that it's a declarative sentence? Yes, because it is simply stating or telling. Then as you see, we are using the period as, okay, period at the end of our sentence, right? Very good. Let's move to number 3. So for our number 3, this is the sentence. Everybody read. Don't forget your mother's birthday. So this is a command sentence, now commanding you not to forget your mother's birthday. There is no please there, right? So there is no any polite words. Automatically, the word is don't. No, that's it. Commanding you not to forget your mother's birthday. So what kind of a sentence is that? You are right. Imperative sentence. Then, in an imperative sentence, that's a command. Okay, that is simply commanding or requesting. Then the punctuation that we are using is very good. Period. Now for our number 4. Okay. Bring me those papers on the desk. Still. Very good. A command sentence. Then it is an very good imperative. Perfect. Then the punctuation that we are using is, yeah, that's it. Period. Very good. Okay, for our last item. So I want you to read this one. Everybody. Okay, so now what do you think is the answer? Alright. If your answer is exclamatory point, then you are right. So hope you've learned something in this clip, and I will be so glad having you back soon once again. And please, for you to get updated, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Then please do hit the bell for you to be notified, then please do like this one and share this one to your friends, and see you for my next upload, right? So once again, it's me, your teacher Dat of the Philippines, saying bye-bye and mabuhay.